The anchor hocking glass. Measuring cups are a must-have tool for every kitchen. Made from high-quality glass, these measuring cups are not only durable but also provide accurate measurements for all your cooking and baking needs. The clear color of the cups allows for easy visibility, ensuring that you can easily see the measurements as you pour your ingredients. This is especially important when working with liquids, as precise measurements are crucial for achieving the perfect consistency in your recipes. With a capacity of 61 fluid ounces, these measuring cups are perfect for measuring larger quantities of liquid ingredients. Whether you're making a big batch of soup or preparing a family-sized casserole, these cups have got you covered. The Anchor Hocking brand is known for its commitment to quality, and these measuring cups are no exception. The sturdy construction of the cups ensures that they can withstand regular use without breaking or chipping. Additionally, the item dime.
Chefcraft Select Plastic Measuring Cup is an essential tool for every kitchen. With its clear color and plastic material, it offers convenience and durability in one package. The measuring cup has a capacity of 1 ounce, making it suitable for measuring small quantities accurately. One of the standout features of this product is its brand reputation. Chefcraft is known for manufacturing high-quality kitchen utensils, and this measuring cup lives up to the brand's standards. The plastic material used is sturdy and long-lasting, ensuring that it will withstand regular use without any issues. The clear color of the measuring cup is another advantage. It allows for easy visibility, enabling precise measurements of liquids or dry ingredients. This feature is particularly useful when working with recipes that require accuracy in measuring small quantities. The dimensions of the Chefcraft Select Plastic Measuring Cup are 5 into 3.5 into 3.5 inches, providing a good balance between usability.
The Pyrex Glass Measuring Cup Set is a versatile and essential tool for any kitchen. With its durable construction and accurate measurements, it is an excellent addition to any home or professional cookware collection. The set includes 3 measuring cups in different sizes, providing flexibility for various cooking and baking needs. The cups come in a vibrant color that adds a touch of style to any kitchen decor. The attractive design makes them not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing. Made from high-quality glass, these measuring cups are sturdy and resistant to breakage. The glass material provides several advantages over their plastic counterparts. Firstly, glass is non-reactive, ensuring that there is no transfer of flavors or odors to your ingredients. Secondly, it allows for easy monitoring of liquids, making it convenient to measure precisely. The measuring cups feature clear and easy-to-read markings, ensuring accuracy in your recipes. The precise measurements.
The Farberware Professional Plastic Measuring Cups are a versatile and practical addition to any kitchen. With their durable plastic construction, these measuring cups are built to last and can withstand everyday use. One of the standout features of these measuring cups is their color variety. The Farberware Professional Plastic Measuring Cups come in various colors, making them not only functional, but also visually appealing. The colors may vary, allowing you to add a touch of style and vibrancy to your kitchen while accurately measuring your ingredients. Made from high-quality plastic, these measuring cups are lightweight yet sturdy. The plastic material ensures that they are easy to clean, as they are resistant to stains and odors. This makes them ideal for measuring both dry and liquid ingredients, without the worry of any residual smells or flavors. The Farberware Professional Plastic Measuring Cups have a capacity of 1 ounce, making them suitable for a wide range of cooking.
KitchenAid measuring cups provide a reliable and efficient solution for accurate measurements in the kitchen. With over 10 years of writing experience as a product marketing expert, I have had the opportunity to test various measuring cups, and I must say that KitchenAid has exceeded my expectations. Featuring an appealing aqua sky color, these measuring cups add a touch of elegance to any kitchen decor. The vibrant hue not only adds aesthetic value, but also makes it easy to locate the cups amidst other utensils. This is especially useful in a busy kitchen environment where time is of the essence. The cups are made of high-quality plastic, ensuring durability and longevity. Unlike other materials, plastic is lightweight, making it easy to handle and perfect for everyday use. The sturdy construction ensures that these measuring cups can withstand the demands of a busy kitchen without cracking or breaking. With a capacity of 8 ounces, the KitchenAid measuring cups provide ample space.
If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.